How to change your Twitter settings to see sensitive content. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no way for you to change the settings of sensitive content using the Twitter app. That's why we will be using Twitter, but on a web browser. So go ahead and open up any browser you have. And once you do that, navigate to Twitter and log into your account. Now, once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top left. Then click on the Settings and Support drop down at the bottom. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Once you get to this page right here, click on Privacy and Safety. And from the Account Activity section, click on Content You See. And on this page right here, there are two options or two features that we need to enable and disable. The first feature is the display media that may contain sensitive content. So go ahead and enable this feature. And what this will do is will enable you to see the media that might contain the sensitive content. The second feature is you want to click on the search settings at the bottom. And then you need to turn off this option that says hide sensitive content. And as you can see right here, this will enable posts with potentially sensitive content to display in your search result. And that's it basically. By doing these two steps, you have just enabled the sensitive content to be displayed on your Twitter. It's that easy and simple, and you can always disable it whenever you want. It also works the same way. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and disable the sensitive content on Twitter. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.